Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by waking the screen and confirming the car is in park so inputs register. Tap the navigate icon at the bottom. This opens the search field immediately. Type an address, POI, or press the voice button and say the destination aloud. Use autocomplete suggestions to save time. Once done, glance at route previews and estimated time. Make sure the route aligns with your preference before selecting Start to begin guidance. After selecting a destination, you refine the route to match driving goals. Tap options to select fastest, shortest, or energy-saving routes and toggle avoidances like tolls if available. Open map layers to view live traffic, satellite imagery, and supercharger locations. This helps you plan charging stops. To add stops, press Add Stop, search each location, and reorder waypoints by dragging them or using the list. Once set, press Start to load. You follow the turn prompts and the visual map. The HUD or heads-up directions help with lane guidance. If the system loses route guidance, first toggle navigation off and on, then reselect the destination. This often restores routing. If maps fail to update, confirm mobile data or Wi-Fi and GPS permissions are enabled. As a last resort, reboot the touchscreen by holding both scroll wheels until it restarts. Then reinitiate the route and continue driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.